Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to verify your Bitget account. Verifying your account is crucial to access all features and ensure the security of your transactions. So, let's get started on how to verify your Bitget account. First, open the Bitget app on your device. On the home page, tap on the Verify option. Tap on the Verify button again. Now, enter your region and select your ID card type. Then, hit the Continue button. Tap on the Continue button again. Now, click a photo of the front side of your ID. If the photo is readable, tap on the Document is Readable button. If not, tap on the Retake Photo option and retake the photo again. Next, take a photo of the back side of your ID. Again, if the photo is readable, tap on the Document is Readable button. If not, tap on the Retake Photo option and take it again. Position your face to fit the frame and follow the prompts to scan your face. Finally, tap on the Confirm button to complete the verification process. Your identity verification is now under review. Once the review is complete, your ID will be verified. And this is how you can verify your Bitget account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.